guys, so magbibigay sa amin yung dito sa mama ni And ito siya. Ayun o, sa akin nakapangalan. Pili ka kayo. So sa inyo kalanta. So ano kaya to? Tingnan muna natin yung mga candy. Kung ano ba. Pero hindi pa namin ito. Open muna natin. Wait lang. Unang una. Hindi yan. Yung yung mga candy dun. Candy muna natin.
Kung paano maka-exercise yung court ng jurisdiction niya over cases na inimbestigahan po ng prosecutor. Okay, so nasa Article 12 yan. And then that provision lists two possible and alternative conditions to exercise jurisdiction which are founded on territory and nationality. So skillet ko na po yung information regarding Article 12 kasi superficial to the discussion po natin.
Ito lang siya. Pero okay na po naman namin. Next naman, ano to? Pikit.
So in conclusion po, kinompare po nila ngayon or pinag-aralan po, discuss po talaga yung Article 12 and Article 13. And then from there po, conclusion nila is that makita po talaga natin na meron daw clear distinction as provided, as drawn by the Rome Statute between jurisdiction on the one hand and exercise of jurisdiction on the other. So ibig sabihin nila po, merong difference in jurisdiction over the subject matter of the case versus the actual exercise of jurisdiction as clearly provided daw po.
Happy birthday, Kali. I-unbox namin. Ay, tingnan niyo yun. Dito, ang ganda. Ang ganda sa akin. May ano ako. Hindi. Wala nang tara. Tingnan natin. Dito, para
Consequently, the existence of jurisdiction
okay.
must be determined with respect to
Hindi
the
dyan.
date of the
Ganito.
commission of the alleged crimes. A plain reading of Article 12 and 13 indicates that the appropriate moment to determine the preconditions to the exercise of jurisdiction is when the court's jurisdiction is triggered under Article 13. Okay, so summarize po natin yan. Sabi po nila, nakalagay daw sa Article 12, a plain reading of Article 12 indicates na magde-determine kung merong subject matter jurisdiction yung court at the time of the date of the commission of the alleged crimes. Yun po yung magde-determine as to the subject matter jurisdiction po yun. However, nakalagay po sa Article 13 na yun kung kailan magsistart yung pag-exercise ng jurisdiction ng korte over that case nga po na
Wala, nagsira na natin. Dili. 1, 2, 3, go! Ay! Ito! Kabrehas tayo! Kabrehas. Next, bili. 1, 2, 3, go! Oreo!